I recently built a rocket stove. I used some expanded foam and some MDF to make a box. I then made a casting using refractory cement. I have a vibrating machine, so I had a good finish, pretty much air-free. I then moved on to making the heat riser. I made this in a similar fashion. It's actually made in 3 sections. As you can see, I then surrounded the whole refractory cement with a large amount of insulation. I used vermiculite and a 10:1 mix with cement. I then put a barrel over the top to give the whole device a test. It seemed to work quite well, so I then moved on to making a more permanent base and then a refractory ring to go around the top. This is quite high mass and holds a nice bit of temperature, keeps a warm room for quite a long time. I added some paint just to make it look a bit more attractive, sort of steampunk theme. It cooks very, very well. You can get up to 500 degrees centigrade on the top. We tend to cook around about 220 degrees. It's not that difficult to actually regulate the temperature. It's a matter of how much air and how much wood. It's not particularly precise, but it does cook very well, and it certainly warms a room up as well. Overall, I think it's quite a success.